Morning guys, February 8th, 2025. The original battery is still in the Cub Cadet, and the last 3 or 4 times I've needed it, I've had to jump start it, so it's time to replace it. I bought this at the end of 18, November I think. So that's what, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 6 years and a few months old. And I don't know how long it sat before I bought it, but it's time for a new one. Obviously it's under the seat, so you pop the seat out, take off this little plastic cover, and there's the battery. It's a good thing I looked. We have some Mises chewing on a wire here. We'll have to replace that. But these should be 10 millimeter for these posts, and they are. So we'll start by taking off the negative one. And I'm not sure what I'm going to replace it with. I have to run out. And all of my stores are damn near 50-mile round trip. And we'll take off the positive side. Also 10 millimeter. Take some kind of low mount off. Well, I thought it was cool. Alright, so this just, there's a slot down there like this. You just put it through, spin it, and it comes back out. And boy, with all the way they have these wires run, it's a tight fit. So that wasn't too bad. Let's see, what do we got here? Well, the date on there, I don't know if you can see that or not, June 18. So, yeah, it made it quite a while. I'm impressed. 300 amp, 20 amp hour. So let's see what we can find to replace it. Oh, actually, I see now that they have these adapters for kind of like a ride mower battery, garden tractor. So we'll have to take these off, put them through the new ones, so that we'll have top post capability. Turns out they're 12 mil. So this is going to make it easier, but it's going to make it so that I have to make sure that the new battery has the same design so that these fit. You see some of those other ones, they have this, and all kinds of weird mounting capabilities. So we're going to try and stick with what's here and minimally get a 300 cold cranking amp. Alright, so we got our battery. They didn't have the one that I saw online that they said they had, but 25 miles one way or so, I wasn't coming back empty-handed. So I wound up getting this die-hard 260 cold cranking amps. It's gold, 111 bucks. And the kit that they give you, and I hate these multi-mount tops. So the kit that they give you just wasn't going to work for this application. So I had to grab a couple of longer bolts, put them through sideways. You want to make sure you've got the right positive and negative arrangement on your battery so that your cables fit. So you try to match that up. But we're going to put it in, get everything wired up. I'm going to fix that mouse chew, and then we'll be back, and hopefully this is going to work because it's cold. It was 12 when I left. It was like 16 now. Just started a shop fire, trying to get that warmed up because I got things to do in there. But anyway, let me get this in, and we'll be back to see how it works. Alright, so we're all back together, fix that stupid wire, and let me grab the key out of my pocket. And let's see what happens. Typically these batteries are a little bit on the weak side when you buy them, and I should have charged it. Well, that's a good sign. Nice. So I think I will throw it on the charger for a little bit anyway. To make that easy, I don't know if you saw the video where I put these standoffs, so I didn't have to tear the seat out and the battery top off, the cover. To get to the battery, I can just drop the bed and hook up right here. So there is a video on that if you're interested. Maybe I'll put a link in the description. But anyway, yeah, this seems to be okay. And the reason that I did this is they're calling for snow tonight and into tomorrow. They're calling for up to 9 inches. And up here where I'm at, on the mid of a mountain, upstate New York, when they call for 2, we get 4. When they call for 6, we get 10. When they call for 10, we get 14. So I'm expecting over a foot of snow tonight into tomorrow. So guys, enjoy your day. Be safe. Stay warm. And we'll talk soon. Take care.